Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be creating this makeup look right here. This is the makeup look that I created for New Year's Eve and I love how the look turned out. I think it's got the perfect combination of those smoky eyes and that bold red lip, and you can pair this look with any outfit of your choice. You can switch up the lipstick if you want, and yeah, the eye makeup is just perfect for New Year's. And the best part is that all of the makeup products that I used to create this look are all available on amazing discounts on Amazon Wardrobe Refresh sale. They're offering 50 to 80% off on fashion and beauty items, so make sure you check out the sale. Make sure you grab all of your favorite products at amazing discounts and amazing deals and use them for New Year's Eve. I absolutely love the quality of all of the products that I used, and look at how beautiful the makeup look turned out with the help of all of these Amazon makeup products. So if you want to know how to recreate this look, then please keep on watching. Starting off with the first product, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Polish Foundation in the shade 128 Warm Nude. Now this is one of my favorite foundations and I have been using this for years now. It has a medium coverage, it's a matte foundation, and it just helps to vanish all of those pores. All of your pores are going to be minimized with the help of this. And the best part is that this is available on a 25% off on Amazon Wardrobe Refresh sale. Next up, I'm using the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer in the shade 04 Medium Beige. As you can see, I've used quite a lot of this concealer because I absolutely love how it looks under my eyes. It just brightens up my eyes instantly. So this concealer is also available on an amazing discount on Amazon for a 14% off, and this is only available for 170 rupees. That is how affordable it is. So I highly recommend you grab this concealer if it's available in your shade. Now to set my base in place, I'm using this Lakme Sun Expert Ultra Matte Compact Powder, which contains an SPF of 40. It gives you both UVA and UVB protection, and at the same time it also helps to set your makeup. It makes your skin all matte and it makes your makeup long lasting as well. Now this is also available on an amazing offer on Amazon. I can see a 14% off on this and it's available only for rupees 180. To fill in my eyebrows, I'm using the Swiss Beauty 2-in-1 Eyebrow and Gel Eyeliner. On top it has the eyebrow powder and at the bottom it has the gel eyeliner. And the best part is that it also comes with a tiny little mirror. And mind you guys, this is a very pigmented product. It's a very good quality product. I have used it and I am so impressed by it. And it's also available on an amazing discount on Amazon Wardrobe Refresh sale. So I see a 26% discount on this and it's available only for rupees 220. So you're getting like two products, that is an eyebrow product as well as an eyeliner, just for 220, which is a complete steal deal. So I'm just going to use the eyebrow powder to fill in my eyebrows. Next up, I'm using this Wet n Wild eyeshadow quad, and this is in the shade Lights Out. Now if you have ever tried Wet n Wild eyeshadows, you will know how pigmented and good quality they are, and in spite of that they are so affordable. And on top of that, Amazon is offering some huge discounts on this eyeshadow palette. So this is available in a lot of variants, and all of the variants, the discount on all of the variants is somewhere between 50 to 70%. Yes, that's how amazing the discount is. So this palette I got for a 50% off, just for rupees 200. But if you want to try like a few of the other eyeshadow palettes, some of them are also available at a 70% off, just for 110 rupees. That is how affordable they are, and the quality is amazing. Firstly, I'm picking up the white shimmer color and applying it to half of my lid. Next up, I'm going in with that silver shimmer color and applying it to the other half of my eyelid. Now I'm taking a very tiny amount of the transition color and just blending all of the shadows out. With a tiny brush, I'm using some of that black color on my bottom lash line. Now to complete the eye makeup look, you can either apply some eyeliner or some kajal, but I'm gonna skip both of that and directly move on to my lashes. I'm gonna be wearing some falsies today, but if you're not comfortable with falsies, then you can also go in with this Maybelline The Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. This gives you that falsies kind of effect without having to wear falsies. And the best part is that this is available on a 30% off on Amazon Wardrobe Refresh sale. Well, I'm going to be wearing some lashes, and the ones that I'm going to be using are by Swiss Beauty. These are their 3D effect lashes in the variant Winky. Now these are already very affordable. They only retail for 100 rupees and on the sale they are for 95 rupees. It's not a big difference, but they are already so affordable and they are super duper dramatic. So I highly recommend you check these out. So I'm back after wearing some eyelashes and I absolutely love how the lashes have transformed the makeup look. I think they look so dramatic and so beautiful. You can stick to less dramatic eyelashes, more natural looking eyelashes, or you can just apply some mascara and get done with it. So to add some color back to my face, I'm going to be using this Sugar Contour de Force mini blush in the shade Pink Pinnacle. It's a very beautiful deep pink color. For highlighter, I'm using another Sugar product. This is Sugar Contour de Force Mini Highlighter in the shade Champagne Champion. And I'm gonna highlight my face very generously because it's New Year's Eve, you guys. I'm also popping the same highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes and also on my brow bone. Now both of these Sugar products are available at a 10% off on Amazon Wardrobe Refresh sale, so you can grab them. They are available in a lot of shades. Now finally moving on to lipstick, I'm going to be using this L'Oreal Paris Signature Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade I Am Worth It. It's one of the most beautiful and iconic red colors that I've ever used, and this is also available on an amazing discount of 23% on Amazon. So make sure that you check this one out. It's an amazing red color option. So that's the final makeup look and I love how this look turned out. I think it's so beautiful, so pretty and yet so bomb. I think it's perfect for New Year's Eve when you just want to be the center of attraction and rock the entire evening. This look is going to be perfect for New Year's. It's got the perfect combination of subtle smokiness on your eyes with that bold red lip. I think it's the best combination. So you can wear this kind of combination with a white outfit, with a black outfit, with a red outfit, or basically with any outfit. You can just change the lip color according to your outfit and you're gonna be good to go. So I highly recommend you check out all of the makeup products that I used to create this look. They're all available on amazing discounts on Amazon Wardrobe Refresh sale. So make sure you check the sale out and grab on your favorite items before New Year's so that you can use them for your New Year's Eve makeup look. And also in case if you recreate this makeup look, do tag me on your Instagram recreations. I would love to see them, and also let me know in the comments below how you like this look. Also, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on my upcoming videos. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you super soon.